His wife is a good friend of mine, si Mikey. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Masantos Siago and si Kuya Namin. Happy Philippine Creative Industries Month po. Ito ang ating second nationwide celebration ng bagong-bagong programa na part ng Creative Industry Law na ating ipinasa, RA 11904. Hindi po ako mag-speech ng mahaba, pero gusto niyo ng mahabang speech, mag-tune in po kayo this afternoon sa Congress website. Mag-privilege speech po ako doon about Creative Industries Month para i-report po ang mga trends, challenges na kinakaharap ng creative industry from trade barriers, artificial intelligence, pati na rin yung mga opportunities for transmedia syndication. So let me just get right into it. This month is a powerful reminder of the immense talent that our country possesses. Talent that is not only world-class, but also deeply rooted in our heritage. Creative industries are the lifeblood of our culture. They are an expression of our values and the engine that drives innovation and economic growth. Today, more than ever, we need to nurture and support the sector, ensuring that every Filipino creative has the opportunity to thrive and shine on the global stage. Creative Industry Month is a testament to our collective commitment to building a future where creativity is ubiquitous, omnipresent, and recognized as a cornerstone of national development and our international presence. So we also have to be outward-looking, advancing our soft power through cultural diplomacy. It is about honoring the contributions of our artists, many of which are here, our innovators, and cultural workers, and ensuring that their work is not only valued but also supported by strong policies and programs that are targeted and attuned to their sector. One of the most significant milestones we have achieved together is the passing of the Creative Industry Law, or RA 11904. This is the law that mandates this nationwide celebration.